In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage tracking categories within Xero, which is a crucial aspect of keeping your financial data organized and insightful. Now let's dive right in and navigate our way through Xero to set up these tracking categories. First, what you'll need to do is access the Xero dashboard. Upon logging into your account, you'll immediately find yourself on this initial page. It's essentially the command center for all your financial activity and provides an overview that keeps you informed and up to date. From this central hub, we're going to make our way over to the Advanced tab. This can be found along the top menu. Clicking on Advanced is your gateway to a host of detailed settings that allow for more granular control over your accounting functions. Next, among the many options under the Advanced menu, we want to direct our attention to tracking categories. This particular feature is incredibly powerful for businesses that need to segment income and expenses into different categories. Imagine being able to track revenue by department, location, or project. It's all possible with tracking categories. Now, once you are on the Tracking Categories page, you'll want to look for the option to add tracking category. This is where the magic starts. Adding a new tracking category is straightforward. You'll be presented with a form where you need to enter the name of your new category. It's important to choose names that are descriptive and clear. This ensures that all members of your team can quickly understand and use these categories as intended. After naming your tracking category, you'll have the chance to specify category options. Think of these as the individual elements or segments you want to track within your main category. For instance, if you're dealing with departments, these options could include sales, marketing, and operations. Simply type in each option one by one. When you've added all your desired category options, the final step is to save your work. Clicking Save will finalize your new tracking category, ensuring that Xero uses this new structure to organize your data. It's a simple yet impactful addition to your accounting toolkit, giving you the power to generate more detailed reports and gain insights into different areas of your business. And that's it. You've now set up a tracking category in Xero. Remember, by taking the time to properly define and organize your tracking categories, you're not just categorizing numbers. You're equipping yourself with better visibility and control over your financial health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Xero tips.